Welcome back. In this video, I will be taking you along with me as I'm getting into springtime cooking and baking. I will be making freshly picked wild garlic pesto, which is bursting with the spring flavors, and then a naturally sweet banana muffin. These two are vegan and it's easy to follow, and banana muffin can be had as a snack any time of the day. I will dry them using the salad dryer, and then I plan to do some water bath canning in my oven for this. It won't be that much, it's just 4 bottles which we can use later. You can use it as a bread spread and some kind of dip. You could also make a dip with this for some potatoes. I've been making this pesto since more than 15 years. End of March to beginning of April is the time where you can actually pick up these fresh garlic leaves, and they have the best flavor before they start to flower. My husband and I picked a full basket of it. I already made 4 jars of it and it's in the refrigerator, and this 4 I plan to do some water bath canning, but I will be using my oven for the water bath canning. And I've been making this with cashew nuts. You can also use pine nuts or you can use sunflower seeds. I will be using cashew nuts. For 50 grams of leaves, add roughly about 50 grams of nuts. If you want more nuts or if you want more leaves, just reduce the quantity. I'm having around 125 grams of cashew nuts. I kind of lightly roasted it on the pan last night, and I've saved up some for today. And then I'll use olive oil and freshly pressed lemon juice. Let me get on with this, and I will link the video and the recipe from my blog in the description box below or in the cards above. I try to make this all in one batch. This time I'm going to use half the quantity of the nuts. I don't have so much of nuts anyway. This is 150. I've put about 75 grams. Then 100 milliliter of olive oil. These lemons are so huge, but this was the only one we could get yesterday. A lot of juice. The best thing of this food processor is it's quite solid, unlike the newer models, and I've been very satisfied with it. I have it since about a decade. I'm adding olive oil. Could add a lot more if you want. And salt. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt. It doesn't cost me too much in the way of ingredients. It's everything which I have at home. Lemon is what I had to get. Olive oil, nuts, salt are all from my pantry. So I like to make use of them. Okay, now I'm going to fill it into sterilized glass jars. And I'm using an assortment of jars because I will not be using this for pressure canning. If you're going to be pressure canning, then you need to get proper canning jars. This will be used up very quickly, and I'm doing a water bath canning, so I think it's fine. I usually put a little bit of oil, that way it helps to preserve. It's my way of doing it. Now I'm going to bake some banana cupcakes. It's already on my blog since many years. For this, I'm using cup measurements. You can also make it with some sourdough discard. I have done that. But right now I'm going to use all-purpose mixed with freshly ground spelt flour. I have here 2 cups of freshly ground spelt flour, and then for this I'll be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, you can use olive, 1 cup of soft brown sugar. You need basically 3 small very ripe bananas. I'm going to use 5 of it because they're not very huge, and then 1 cup of apple juice. Bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. I try to mash it as much as I can. Then you add the oil into this one. This is roughly 3 tablespoons. I think I added a tiny bit more. This would be a really soft and fluffy cupcake. Now we add the apple juice and mix it vigorously. In the end, you mix in the nuts. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's nicely brown, so it comes out clean, and that means it's baked. It's nicely baked through, and it's nice soft. Thank you for watching. Give these recipes a try and let me know in the comment section below how you got on with this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one.